Hello and welcome to our School at Home class in English Grade 4. We are in the second quarter of our set of lessons, and I hope everybody will delight in learning today with lesson number 11, Plural form of irregular noun. We have learned from the past lesson that plural nouns are names of persons, places, or things which are more than one. How do we write the plural form of regular nouns? Very good. We form the plural of regular noun by adding s or es. Example: box, boxes; car, cars; cat, cats. What if the noun ends with f or fe? How will you write the plural form? Correct! Some nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing f to v before adding es. Examples: live, lives; loaf, loaves; knife, knives; wolf, wolves. Today we are going to discuss the plural form of irregular noun. Before we go on with the lesson, let us first read the poem Help by Greta Laura M. Cadyong. Are you now ready to listen? Let's start. I wonder why English words are not fixed. If root is roots, why is foot feet? If I have one tooth, but when many, they are teeth. Please answer me, for I cannot wait. House becomes houses, but mouse is mice. Blouse to blouses, but blouse is lice. A boy or a girl is a child, but both are children. Add one more man, it will become men. Are these words true? Help me, please do. Do you understand the poem? Very good. Now what does the person in the poem feel? Correct. She was feel confused. Why does she need help? Yes, that's right. She was wondering why English words are not fixed. What words in the poem cause the person to be confused? Very good. She was confused with the word root and roots, while foot becomes feet. House to houses, while mouse to mice. Blouse to blouses, while louse becomes lice. Which words in the poem are plural nouns? Correct. The plural nouns in the poem are teeth, teeth, mice, lice, children, and men. Now let us study the chart. The first column are nouns in singular form, and the second column are nouns in plural form. How do these nouns form their plural? Let us read first the word foot, feet; foot, feet; mouse, mice; blouse, lice; child, children; man, men. Now how do these nouns form their plural? Very good. The plural form of these nouns are formed by adding s or es. These nouns are formed their plural by changing the spelling. And these nouns are called irregular nouns. Again, what do you call these words? Irregular noun. Very good. Let us read again. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, blouse, lice, child, children, man, men. Again, what do you call these words? Very good. Irregular noun. There are rules in forming plural of irregular nouns. Number 1. Some nouns form their plural by changing their spelling. Example: women. Plural form is women. Tooth. Plural form teeth. Foot. Plural form feet. Mouse. Plural form mice. Child. Plural form children. Man. Plural form men. Do you understand? The singular noun change the spelling in plural form. Now, let's come to rule number 2. Some irregular nouns have the same singular and plural. Example: sheep, sheep, fish, fish, deer, deer, news, news. The spelling of the word in singular noun does not change in plural form. They have the same spelling. Do you understand? Very good. Now let's do some exercises. Let's change the nouns inside the parentheses into plural form. This is a dialogue between pupil A and pupil B. Pupil A: hello, I heard some great news today. What is the noun inside the parentheses? News. Very good. In the plural form is news. Correct. Pupil B: oh, what is the news? Noun inside the parentheses is news. In the plural form is correct. News. Pupil A: there were 3 deer caught by some man in the forest. The noun inside the parentheses are deer. Plural form deer. Very good. Another one, man. Plural form men. Correct. Pupil B: what happened to the deer? Noun inside the parentheses is deer. Plural form deer. Very good. Pupil A: some scientists will study them. The news said the deer have extraordinary lean feet, long shiny antlers, and sets of long pointed teeth. They are rare kind of deer. What are the words inside the parentheses? News. The plural form of news is news. Very good. Deer. Plural form deer. Correct. Foot. Plural form feet. Very good. Tooth. Plural form teeth. Correct. Deer. Plural form deer. Very good. Pupil B: oh, it's really great news. I wish they would bring them to a zoo. So many child can see them. What is the noun inside the parentheses? Child. Correct. And the plural form is children. Impressive. Now let's try another exercises again. Choose the proper irregular noun for each sentence. Number 1. At night, you can hear all of the blank running around. Is it mouse, mice, mouses, mices? Very good. It's mice. Number 2. The bus was full of blank heading to the zoo. Is it children's, child's, children, child? Correct. It's children. Number 3. My dad likes to soak both his blank at night. Is it foots, fits, foot, fit? Very good. It's fit. Number 4. I may have to go to the dentist to clean my gland. Is it teeth, tooth, teeth, tooth? Very good. It's teeth. Number 5. There are 2 blanks walking on the street. Is it man, man, men's, men's? Correct. It's men. Excellent. To wrap everything up, what we have learned in this lesson, let us always remember that plural nouns are nouns which are more than one. Some irregular nouns are formed their plural by changing their spelling, but some nouns have the same singular and plural. Example: foot, teeth, tooth, teeth; mouse, mice; louse, lice; child, children; woman, women; deer, deer; sheep, sheep; news, news; fish, fish. Do you understand our lesson for today? Very good.
Do you want to know?